On Android 17 stock OS, especially on a Google Pixel, you can easily change app icons, Android 17 home screen only. Latest Android 17 includes new app icons styles to your Android phone. Let's see how to customize app icons on Android 17 stock OS. Go to Home Screen and long press on the blank space and tap Wallpaper and Style. Make sure to select the home screen. Swipe up and tap Icons. You can see default and other created icons style to your stock Android 17 Google Pixel devices. Tap Create to set new icon style to Android phone. You can see 6 new icon style including Disco, Scribbles, Cookies, Easel, Treasure, or Stardust. Select any style you want to create. You can see how it looks to your home screen app icons on Android phone. Tap the download in the top right corner. You can change your icons at any time from Settings. Tap the new style you created. Go to Home Screen and you can see the new app icon style on your Android 17 device. To get back the default app icon style, go to Icons Settings and tap Default. Tap Apply button in the top right corner. Now set the default app icon on your Android phone. And that's all. Thanks for watching.